Hello there, old family Remedies here. If you're feeling a little run down, it might be time for a detox. Now, before you start picturing some crazy juice cleanse, let me stop you right there. I'm talking about natural detox, giving your body the support it needs to cleanse itself, effortlessly. We're diving deep into natural detox methods that are actually doable. Forget restrictive diets and harsh cleanses. We're focusing on what truly nourishes your body from the inside out. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to share my all-time favorite detox tip. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. All right, let's kick things off with the absolute foundation of any good detox hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial, and there's a good reason why. Think of water as your body's internal rinse cycle. It helps flush out toxins, waste products, and anything else your body doesn't need. Now, plain water is fantastic, but let's take it up a notch. One of my favorite ways to boost my water intake is by adding a squeeze of lemon. This simple addition not only adds a refreshing flavor, but also helps stimulate digestion and alkalizes your body. But hey, we can do even better than lemon. Let's talk about the power of herbal teas. Ginger tea, for example, is amazing for soothing digestion and reducing bloating. Dandelion tea supports liver function, which is key for detoxification. And of course, green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your cells from damage. So make sure you're sipping on these detoxifying drinks throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and support its natural cleansing processes. Now let's talk about food, because let's be real, a healthy diet is the cornerstone of any effective detox. And when it comes to cleansing your body naturally, certain foods are like superheroes in disguise. First up, we've got leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, cabbage. These guys are nutritional powerhouses packed with chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse your liver and purify your blood. Aim to incorporate these greens into your meals as much as possible. Smoothies, salads, stir-fries, you name it. Next, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. Think broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale again. These veggies contain sulfur compounds that support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Now, let's move on to fiber. Fiber is like your gut's best friend, helping to sweep out waste and toxins from your digestive system. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and oats are excellent sources of fiber that you can easily incorporate into your diet. And while we're on the topic of gut health, we can't forget about probiotics. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in digestion and detoxification. Did you know that sweating isn't just about cooling down? It's a powerful way to help your body get rid of unwanted toxins. It's actually one of your body's natural ways of eliminating toxins. When you sweat, your body is pushing out impurities through your skin. Exercise, saunas, even just spending time in the sun, all these things can help you break a sweat and detoxify naturally. So make sure to incorporate these activities into your routine. Now let's talk about the lymphatic system. This system is crucial for maintaining your body's fluid balance and defending against infections. Unlike our circulatory system, which has the heart to pump blood, the lymphatic system relies on our movement to do its job. Regular physical activity is key, and its job is super important. It removes toxins and waste products from our tissues. Keeping it active is essential for overall health. So how do we get things moving? One of my favorite ways to stimulate lymphatic flow is dry brushing. It's a simple yet effective technique. It's exactly what it sounds like, using a dry brush to gently massage your skin towards your heart. This helps in promoting lymphatic drainage. This simple technique helps improve circulation, stimulates the lymphatic system, and leaves your skin feeling soft and invigorated. Plus, it's a great way to start your day. And of course, we can't forget about the importance of digestion. A healthy digestive system is vital for detoxification. When our digestion is sluggish, toxins can build up in our gut, leading to bloating, discomfort, and a whole host of other problems. It's crucial to keep it functioning well. So, what can we do to keep things moving smoothly? Probiotics, apple cider vinegar, and other natural remedies can be very helpful, and good old lemon water. Incorporating these into your daily routine can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Rest, rejuvenate, reset, the power of sleep and stress reduction. We've talked about hydration, nutrition, and movement, but now it's time to talk about something equally important: rest and relaxation. These elements are crucial for maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. You see, when you sleep, your body doesn't just shut down. Instead, it enters a state of active repair and rejuvenation. It goes into repair mode, and detoxification is a big part of that. Your body works tirelessly to cleanse itself from the inside out. During deep sleep, your body works hard to remove toxins, repair cellular damage, and recharge your batteries. This is when the magic happens. So if you're constantly skimping on sleep, you're essentially robbing your body of its natural detoxification time. This can lead to a buildup of toxins and a decrease in overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Your body will thank you. Quality sleep is the foundation of good health and well-being. Now, let's talk about stress. Managing stress is just as important as getting enough sleep. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, and yes, it can even interfere with detoxification. It affects your mental and physical health in numerous ways. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that, over time, can lead to inflammation, weight gain, and a weakened immune system. This makes it harder for your body to function optimally. So, what can we do to manage stress and support our body's natural detox processes? There are several effective strategies. Deep breathing exercises are a great place to start. They help calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Other stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can also work wonders for both your mind and body. These practices help you reconnect with yourself and the world around you. And finally, let's talk about environmental detox. Reducing your exposure to toxins in your environment is key. Choosing organic foods, opting for natural cleaning products, and filtering your water are all great ways to reduce your toxic load. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall health. So there you have it. Natural detox doesn't have to be complicated, restrictive, or extreme. It's about finding balance and making choices that support your overall well-being. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and feel your best. Whether it's through mindful eating, regular exercise, or taking time to relax, every small step counts. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with long-term. Consistency is key, and over time, these habits will become second nature. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional for guidance and support. They can provide you with personalized advice and help you navigate your journey to better health. Now, I'm curious to know, which of these detox tips are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts and experiences with us. Let me know in the comments section below. Your feedback and stories can inspire others on their journey, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Your support means a lot and helps us create more valuable content for you. I'll see you in the next video.